Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, wherever you are hearing or watching me. This be Manifest Local Traders, guys. This is weekend time. You understand? So we're in a weekend already. So I want you guys to follow me up as I give you guys the trading of the week concerning our BC AUTOPROFIT and PFX GOLD SNIPER. All right, so let's dive into this the trading of the week. Yeah, this account, let's see the drawdown. Let's see what is here. You can see what is here already. You can see what is here. $7. So it has been like that. I told you guys, watch my previous video. You see where I show you the drawdowns. This is a very high profit and low drawdown robot. So guys, if you check here, you will see the account balance. You will see the balance right now, $1,030. Okay, this account started with $550. All right, so we are going to be doing the mathematics at the same time. Okay, so everything I'm going to show you here, please follow me as we move. Now when you come to the history here, let's go to history. This account started trading on the 22nd of April, all right, of April 2025. Then if you check it here, if you click on 22nd and today's is 25, that yesterday was 24 was today is Saturday being 24, right? Yeah, so 23 is Friday. Okay, so from 22nd of April to 23rd, okay, to 23rd, so we are ranking 1 month of trading of this EA. Can you see that it has made $477? Okay, you can see that, $477. so you can see almost 100%. Okay, almost 100%. If I can check the percentage, you will see it here. Look at the percentage here. It has made for over at least exactly 1 month today. Okay, trading gold and other pair of DERIV. Let me show you. So this is BC AUTOPROFIT. You can see. So it is this EA that trade everything. You can see when you scroll up, you see that it was BC that trade everything. It was BC that trade everything. It was trading both DEX 900 up, DEX 900 down, 900 up and 600 up and down, and the gold. Okay, trading gold. If I can select only the symbol here, you can see gold here. When you say gold, you see gold throughout here. You can see gold. When you scroll down, gold, let's see how much gold made $416. So it's not necessary to trade the 600 up and down, because if you minus 477 from 416, that means it's gold that made all the profit throughout the whole 1 month. You can see it, 1 month of trading gold without a drawdown. Look at the profit, massive profit. You can see everything is blue here. You can hardly see red, so everything is blue. It's making huge profit in the market. All right, when you say all the pairs, when you come to the symbol, you say all the pairs, then You now see $477 down here. You can see it there. So let's check another account. Let's check another account history. So when you look at the current drawdown, you see $6 here self. So I'm showing you how everything is going. So let's go to second account here. Yeah, this is the second account. This is EXNESS. So this is I told you guys that this robot PFX GOLD SNIPER EA and BC AUTOPROFIT can as well trade DERIV and forex market. So what we just check right now is DERIV market. This is DERIV and this is forex market broker, which is EXNESS. So this one market has closed on Friday yesterday, and they closed with this little drawdown of $7 minus $7 here. You can see it here. Okay, so and let's check the history of this account. I think this account traded on the, let's see, let's go to the history. So when you check the history here, let's go to the history. I think this account started on the May 4th of May. It's not up to 1 month. So you can see BC AUTOPROFIT. Okay, let's see all the history. Let's check all the history and see what he has made. So when you look at this account right now, you will see that this account started trading on the 20th of April 20th. Okay, let me use my marker here so you can see it. April 20. Then we just click OK and let's see the current date. Yeah, March 23. So 1 month and 1 day also. So April 20, that's 1 month and 3 days. So he has made, look at the deposit here. He has also made equivalent to 100% of 1 month of trading. So this account has traded for 1 month. This is 1 month trading. Okay, he has made $462. Okay, all right, $462. When you check it from the deposit of $500 here, then you know that he has, look at the percentage he has made for 1 month trading. Okay, this is 1 month. All right, so let's check the, this is also BC AUTOPROFIT. You can see it here. So it's BC that traded these ones. So let's check also GOLD SNIPER and see how he has made. BC has made almost 100% trading for these two accounts for 1 month. This one is 1 month and this one is also 1 month trading. And you can see the drawdown now. I mean, you can see when the market closed, when the market closed, you can see what is left. That is $7 here. So is a EA that trade with a very minor and ultra low drawdown. Okay, and you'll be making your profit. You can imagine making 100% in a month with this EA without blowing your account. So guys, let's check the second account, the GOLD SNIPER. So when you check the GOLD SNIPER right now, you can see here, down here, you will see, I told you guys, this GOLD SNIPER EA has conservative mode, aggressive mode, and low risky mode. All right. So when you are installing it, you can use whatever you wish to use on your account, like those traders that has a low equity can use low risk. You understand? Even the conservative and the aggressive, there's not much difference. like this account started trading with about $900, and if you look at the total balance right now is about 2,400 and sorry, so it's about $2,454. All right, so he has made over 100%. Okay, he has made almost 150% trading since on the, you can equally see the this all this EA doesn't have drawdown. That's why I'm showing you the current running trade. You can see the current running trade. This is gold just closed, market just closed on Friday yesterday. You understand? So this account is trading with V75 1 seconds and gold. All right, you can see gold here. Market has closed on gold, and it closed with a -2, 25 or thereabout. So like I told you guys, this is sell on gold, this is sell on gold, and this is buy on gold. So now when you look at the history trading on this account, he has made over 150%. Okay, let's see, and if I look at the history, market is started trading on the 13th of April. Then now we look at 13th of April, then if you check 13th of March, okay, here, then if you count 14, that is 1 2 3, 1 2 3, then that's about 1 month and 3 days he has traded. Okay, because this is Saturday and this is Sunday. 24 and 25, which is tomorrow, is Sunday. So if you check on the 13th here, then you count 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 7 8. That means 1 month and 8 days that he has traded. 1 month and 8 days. Okay, and he has made over 140, almost 150%. Okay, he has made 150%. And when you check on the gold, I use, let's see gold here, you can see it here. I use aggressive mode, fast profit. That's why I accumulated that. It did not blow the account. It did not even go up to 20% drawdown. It's not up to 20% drawdown. This account is this all my robot is between 2 to 10% to 15% drawdown. Okay, so every one of us know that gold moved about 2 weeks ago, and even last week, the week that just ended, the market has been spiking, both the news up and down, and the market, this robot has been in the market. All right guys, so let's see the second account also. Let's see the second account and see what he has made. This is the second account. The second account is trading. This one is trading GPP. Is trading on this Gold Sniper also. So this one is trading US 30. You can see it here, Gold Sniper. Okay, then use medium risk on this. The market closed on Friday. Then look at the current trading running on profit before the market closed. It was on $39 profit before market close. All right, so guys, if you don't have this boat, you are just missing. If you don't have this boat, you keep on blowing your account. This is the only boat that can help you maximize more profit in the market. All right, so guys, if you check the history of this account also, let's see the history of this account. I think this account started trading on the month of let's see the entire history of this account. I think it started trading on the month of let's say last month, then we'll come back to current month, which is May 4. So it's not up to 1 month. You can see it May 4. So you can see the deposit. All right. So withdrawal, just look at the little withdrawal. So now when you look at the current, now he has made 236% already. Look at $236 here. Then the current balance now is $739. You can see it here for not up to 1 month. He has been trading on US 30. Okay, so guys, this is the only boat you need right now to make profit in the market. This is the only boat you need right now. You can see he has been trading throughout the whole month. So we have like 1 week more, 1 week trading to make this account 1 month. All right. So guys, please, I want you guys to know that this is the boat you have been looking for. If you never subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and make sure you join the link below to see the previous posts of this boat. I'll be posting how the boat has performing for over weeks, daily results, hitting trading results on the channel. Okay, the boat has its own channel where I post all the results. Okay, so guys, let's check another account. This account is also Gold Sniper, trading only gold with low risk. You can see there. So let's check how it closed. It closed with $9 minus $9. Okay, this is the current trade running when the market closes. Okay, you can see it here. So this is not, I'm showing you the current trade, showing you the history trade, showing the balance, showing the profit. What do you want again? I'm showing you everything. You can see this one is trading with low risk. Okay, so and you can decide to trade with either aggressive or moderate, anyhow you want to trade. Let's see the history of this account for trading over I think the same let's check the month anyway. Let's still check the month. You can see very in fact this is the boat you need. Stop moving around the channels or scanning the internet looking for a good and profitable boat. This is the only boat you need right now. Look at how he has been making profit. How many red have you seen here? How many red have you seen here? Everything is profit. Everything is profit. Everything is profit. Everything is profit here. Everything is profit. Can you see that? So, and the current balance now is $909. So he has made $409 for, let's see the history. Let's see the history. I think this account started trading on the, let's check. So this account started trading on this month of May 4. Okay, not up to 1 month. By next month of June 4, it will become 1 month, and he has made equivalent to 1 month. I mean 100%. Okay, you can see the percentage here now. You can see the percentage. All right, so guys, any boat that make 100% every month with a low drawdown, okay, with a low drawdown, then what else do you need in the market, in this business? What else do you need in this business? All right, so guys, please take this boat and start making profit every month, every week, every blessed day. All right, this is Gold Sniper. I've shown you the EA for BS AUTOPROFIT and Gold Sniper. These are the 1 month. Some of them is not up to 1 month. This is not up to 1 month. We have like 1 or 2 weeks for this EA to be, I mean, on this account to be 1 month trading, but he has made almost 100%. So guys, God bless you guys. My name remains Pman FS. Please subscribe to my channel. Also join my Telegram channel where I will be posting the result of this EA. If you're interested on this EA, there's a particular channel for this EA where you guys will be seeing all the informations, whatever you need concerning this EA. Okay, every part of this EA information is on that channel, and the daily trading result is on that channel. Guys, God bless you. My name remains Pman FX Blue Club Traders. Please don't fall for scammers that will tell you that this is their own boat. It's not their boat. I'm the original owner of this boat. So if you need this boat, DM me on my channel and we'll discuss about it. God bless you and bye for now.